found my metal skillet sign. I have no idea where we're going to hang it.
Well, we're not going to set it there.
Why not?
Oh, it's like a mess. No, I mean,
Alright,
it's
I'll find
organized.
I'll find a better place. Yeah.
Alright, this is like the 4th or 5th video in our same clothes.
Yep.
Getting a lot done here.
Yeah, we are. We're trying to get this room cleared out because we've had stuff piling up to do videos on for a while.
Yeah, I found a couple more things.
Yeah, our collection grew a little bit for this video.
Well, this... Oh, his tail's in between his legs. Well, I had this guy when I was a kid. I just found him recently. So...
Yeah, we're clearing out a storage unit, so we're finding all kinds of old stuff. And then I was cleaning up upstairs, and I found one of my favorite Stitch Funko Pops. It's Stitch with the red one. We need to dust him off because he's got a lot of dust on him. So, yeah.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We've got an Aladdin set of
And I believe this is all of them.
Scentsy wax bars.
Yeah, I think this is all of them.
Yeah.
All right, first up we got Aladdin with One Jump Ahead. Let's see.
What do you think?
Like a fruit punchy type one?
Yeah.
So, yeah, kind of like a fruit punch. I like that one.
This one, actually I'll do this one. This one has Aladdin and Jasmine on the magic carpet, and it's called A Whole New World, of course. I can't name of the...
You're not gonna say laundry soap, are you?
No, I wasn't even thinking laundry soap.
Hand soap,
No,
perfume.
maybe.
And there goes the air freshener.
Well, you see what I'm talking about. I just...
Yes.
I like it.
It kind of smells like the candle scents like an ocean scent.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which makes sense because they're flying over the ocean.
You're right. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Yeah. That's
They're kind of like an ocean scent.
Yeah. A perfume called Ocean. I'm kidding.
Alright, Genie. Friend like me. Let's see what we got.
Smell like a friend.
I don't know, I haven't sniffed my friends recently.
You don't do the one game you do it from when...
It's not sniffing.
Yeah, but it's close. The zombie game. Let's smell it.
I like a laundry soap.
You were giving me crap about it.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it smells really similar to the Magic or Whole New World.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of a fabric softener.
Maybe. I think it smells close to that one now.
Yeah, it's like a cotton smell.
Yes, cotton. Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah.
I can see that. Alright, this one is just the lamp. Arabian Nights. Is it just the title of every song in the movie?
Yes. I think
So
that's
there's
exactly
one
what
job, there's
Yeah.
a whole new world, this friend like me. Yeah, this is all every song.
it is. Every song.
I can't think of the name. It's like a spicy scent.
Kind of smells like almost like an incense, maybe.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Yeah. Can't quite place that one.
Last but not least, which we not
Prince
least.
Ali.
Prince Ali. Okay, that's
My
the other
favorite song from the remake.
song. Wait, is it?
I thought that was like the
Oh,
best.
that was really
that was
good.
the best part of that movie.
Yeah, I
For me,
thought A
at
Whole New
least.
World was really good.
Yeah.
Enjoy that scene.
I like a citrus.
But I liked Parental Lead one also. And Friend Like Me was actually really fun too.
Yes.
Because of the...
I hate the parts where they speed up the motion.
But Friend
I
Like Me,
hate that.
I think they did a really good job on Friend Like Me though.
Yeah. One Jump was like the most notorious for
Yeah,
the
that
whole
was the
speeding up
least.
the people.
That was the least favorite of them.
Citrus.
Kind of like orange cream again.
A little bit less cream, so maybe just more like straight orange almost.
I said kind of orange cream.
Kind of. Yeah, kind of. Alright.
Okay, is that all of them?
That's all of them.
Comment below what your favorite song from Aladdin is.
There we go. What's your favorite song from Aladdin?
Because we were talking about the songs a lot. So.
And which version do you prefer?
And the
original
remake.
or the remake?
Yes.
Please say original.
No, I liked them both just fine.
No,
but
the music was good.
yeah. I watched it like 3 times in theaters. But,
Yeah.
Yeah. 3 or 4
Alright,
times.
so comment below what your favorite song is from Aladdin. And that's going to be it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Got anything else?
No, that's
No?
good.
Nico?
No, it doesn't. I'm just trying to.
Oh,
Yeah, he's pretty old.
Nico's gone mute.
Yeah.
Alright.
He's like 20 something. I think he's like 20 years old. 20 something years old.
Wow.
Probably. That's when I got him. And I was like,
That is old.
I don't know how old I was when I got him. He's over 20 old. He's at least 20 years old.
Yeah. Alright.
Hey,
Like-
you're calling me old.
Like, comment, subscribe. Yes.
All right.
Bye.
Hey. We don't have every single Disney one yet. We have most of them. Do we? Do we have them all? I don't remember. Maybe we did get them all.
And we just got the newest ones. So we'll keep it.
Yeah. No. Or maybe we don't. Apparently Monsters Inc. came out.
That's right.